actually came to the shop today to pick up the car. I'm actually getting the BC Coilovers installed on my 9 Gen Honda Accord. Drop off the car yesterday, and actually thought that he was going to be done today. It's actually after 6 on a Saturday afternoon right now, and I decided that I specifically wanted to come later, to give him enough time to get it done. And sure enough, he's probably about not even halfway through, and he actually told me he started yesterday, so I don't know what's going on. So I'm probably gonna have to stick around and wait a little bit longer. You guys like my shirt? I don't need Google. My wife knows everything. Bam. So yeah, and it's actually getting really, really cold right now, and I didn't really dress. I'm actually rocking shorts and t-shirt, and it's minus, I think, 7 right now. The sun's up a little bit, but it's actually still cold. So, I don't know. I'm not sure what to do with myself right now because I got so much time and nothing to do. The car's not done. But anyways, let's go inside and take a look and see, so you guys can see what's happening. So this is where we're at right now. Gonna be a little bit quiet right now. Those ones are off. Actually, I think he's got everything off so far. And I'm actually running the 25mm spacers, which I think is just gonna push the car out just enough. I'm actually using my stock rims. So yeah. So there we go. He just took the last one out. So I guess we're, oh, there you go. Yeah, just on the back. So I got the 25mm spacers on the back, nothing in the front yet. So I want to wait until the car is lowered and to see if I'm going to need it in the front. But so far, I just have it on the back. Anyways, guys, I'm being a little bit quiet right now because I don't want to get in these guys' way. So there's the front. It's a little bit noisy in the shop, but yeah. See, I don't want to kind of get in these guys' way. I want them to kind of finish it, and I think they're probably getting a little bit frustrated because, it's the last car and it's the weekend and they're trying to go home. So I don't want to kind of go in there and start talking and, so yeah. So, but as soon as it gets done, then I'll be able to record it and show you guys how low I'm gonna drop it. Oh man, you guys, look like I'm gonna be here for another hour. He started working on another customer's car. Can't really say anything, you know what I mean? But I'm good. It's the weekend, and yeah. So it is what it is. So yeah, car's just sitting there. Well, he's got them all in there though. They're not tightened up yet. Actually, this one is tightened up. That one's tightened up. Let's see the other side. Here. That one's tightened up too. Huh? Yeah, so that one's not connected up yet. So, and I think this one is not too. So yeah, still got to do those. Yeah, so both the front ones finished. I just got to do the two rear. And like I said, I'm not in a hurry. So I mean, it is what it is. That's usually how shop life goes, right? Can't wait to change these exhausts. Yeah, that's gonna be my next project. Getting this exhaust change. It's gonna cost another $1,500. I don't have that right now, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit. Eventually we'll get there. And I gotta do it for both cars. So both cars gonna have to do the exhaust. So yeah, we'll see. Need some help, Mike? Huh? Okay, guys, what? So, okay, guys, so finally, so this is what's gonna happen now. So my car's not gonna get done today. It is actually that outside right there. It's really, really dark outside right now. So I'm gonna leave the car. And he was saying he wanna come in tomorrow, finish it. I'm like, nah, don't worry about it. You know, enjoy your weekend. Come back on Monday. It should be fine. Not really in a rush for the car. The car is pretty much just gonna sit at home anyway. So, but yeah, so it's not gonna get done today. So the video continues. All right, Mike. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Hey, did you bring this thing back?
What?
Huh?
What? Oh yeah, I need that. Just I'm gonna leave it in the trunk.
This is for your wife to beat you, eh?
No. I don't need no more beating with this. Yeah, guys, this is what I got beat with growing up, man. That's yeah, piece of tire from the car. Yeah, I can stay in there. All right, see ya. It's gonna need to settle, no?
That's what I said. Went off the hoist.
Yeah, well, you're probably just gonna lower it now and then.
No, I'm gonna let you measure it, but.
Yeah, but-
You're gonna find out adjustment after this adjustment. I'm gonna measure again.
Okay. That's good enough.
Go to the other side. I reach it to
Yeah.
Yeah?
So I got two finger there, not upright, just leaned. Let me see. No, watch out. Let me see. Hold on, let me see. Oh. Yeah, yeah, a little bit more.
Huh?
A little bit more.
That's my home.
So it's not that low.
Yes, and I'm gonna say my voice.
BC Coilovers installed. The car is completely done right now. Just need the HFE spoiler, and it'll be good to go. Now, of course, these are not the original rims. That's gonna stay in the car. These are the stock factory rims. I'm gonna be changing those. So right now the fitment is just let me see, one finger. It's about is that like an inch? Yeah. But once I get the rims that I'm gonna be installing on the car, I'm gonna need to pull it out a little bit more. Even with the 25mm spacer on there, it still looks really flush right now. I mean, it could come out a little bit more, but that works for now, I guess. I just wanted the coilovers on there. I didn't really care, you know, about fitment and setting and stuff like that, because I know later on that I'm going to be changing the rims. So, but the front's a little bit more tucked in. I'll come around here so you guys can see it. Yeah, front's a little bit more tucked in, as you guys can see. Look at that. I got two fingers going here. The back is just one. But it's also tucked in a little bit. Of course, when I get my, you know, the rims that I'm going to be leaving on the car, it's going to be a little bit more, you know. These are like stock rims, and these guys, the aftermarket rims, are a little bit more wider. So yeah. So there she is. I don't know. Is it done? Is it done? Is it done? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think, babe? Huh? It looks good. As long as you can go over a speed bump and not hear anything rubbing, it's good. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah. What do you guys think? I don't know. I think it looks good, but like I said, these rims are not going to be staying on the car. I'm probably going to let it wait for about a couple of months. Maybe next spring I'll probably get rims for it. But right now I need to focus on the 8 Gen, because that needs to It's gonna go in the shop on the 15th, and it's gonna get painted. So, and that's gonna be costing a couple of G's. Well, which so right now, I just wanted to get the BC Coilovers on there, so I can say, okay, this car is at least done for now. Still need to get the spoiler. Still looking for the HFE spoiler, you guys. If I don't sound as enthusiastic as I normally do, I'm just coming home from work and I'm tired. I'm really tired right now. I have a long day. So yeah, yeah, there she is. Still gotta get the license plate fitment for the front, and slip that around. And then, yeah, I think it's okay. Honey, you wanna turn it on and back it out? Huh? Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on right now and back it out and go behind it. Mike, can you put up the air in the tire? Outside of it? Thank you. Huh? Thank you. Hey, you got any revolve strap covers? Good. Beautiful. Feels amazing. And now I'm back to being myself. I'm really liking it. It feels so much lighter. You can tell it does feel a little lower to the ground when I get out because I'm not used to that. But I don't know why, for some reason, it feels faster. When you lower your car, is that what happened? It just feels faster? It's just, of course, lowering your car doesn't make it faster. I'm just, you know. But yeah, it really, really feels good. You know, maybe it's just the aerodynamics changed a little bit. I don't know, man, but yeah, I'm just like talking smack right now, but I'm really, really liking it. Yeah, I'm really comfortable with it. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head home because I'm actually really, really tired right now. But yeah, so I'm really, really sorry, and I apologize for to be making a video when it's dark out. But he just called me and told me the car is finished, and so I'm heading home from work, and I decided to just swing by. And yeah, so this is what happened. Anyways, guys, you know, tomorrow I'll do a proper vlog on the car so you guys can actually get to see it in the daytime when it's a lot more brighter. But you know, appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. And like I said, once again, I apologize for the late night video, but I was just a little excited and I wanted to come and see the car. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.